Hey guys, Dr. Bortolotti here. Once again, I apologize for having to cancel class, but at least we have the opportunity to continue our work through Blackboard, so I hope that works out okay for you. I'm sure it will. Uh, okay, what I'd like you to do for Monday, March 28th is go to my course, and over here in the left-hand column, you'll see Animal Farm information. This is going to continue to stay open until the assignment is submitted for in its final draft form later on this month. So click on this and come over here to the example. And you'll see the example come up. And what I want you to do for Monday is to work on your outline and the works cited page. Remember that what I want you to do is use my essay title and also use my thesis. Notice that unlike the argument essay, there is no question here. There is no yes or no question. We'll just go right to a thesis. And I thought I'd make it easy for you guys to go ahead and just assign the thesis for you, since you're all going to be basically writing about the same thing. Okay, then I want you to fill out the outline. Once again, characters, plot points, and themes are your subtopics. You have no choice. You have to use those three subtopics. Your A and the B details are the things that are going to be up to you. So you can choose anything you want as far as the characters are concerned, as far as the plot points are concerned, and as far as the themes are concerned. Once you decide on a character or characters that you want to talk about in this first section, then you divide that A detail into two parts. The first part is giving the historical reference that Orwell had in mind. In this case, Napoleon for Orwell, and in the book represents Joseph Stalin. And then give a modern day historical reference to who Napoleon could represent. Now, modern day is a term that we're going to interpret very, very loosely. It could be anything, let's say, after World War II, from 1945 on. Okay? Same thing down here. You choose your next character or characters. Talk about how Orwell interpreted these characters in the book, and how you would interpret these characters today. Then you go down to the next section, pick out two specific plot events, two specific plot points from the book, list them as A and B, and then the first one, number one, is how it is represented in Orwell's history of the Russian Revolution and the rise of Stalin and communism, and then your interpretation of something that's happened since World War II. Same thing here. This is an event in the book. This is what Orwell says it represents. This is what you say it represents. This is going to take a little bit more research for you. You have to go find two themes that exist for the book. And all I did was I went to SparkNotes and I found a couple of themes that I liked. And I've got one listed here, and I've got one listed here. These are certainly not the only two themes that exist in the world. You are certainly welcome to use these themes for your essay. It's up to you. And also, I guess you can also use these characters and these plot points. You're not restricted from using these just because they're on my examples here. You could still use these if you'd like to. But anyway, with themes, this is how Orwell sees it. This is how you see it. This is how Orwell saw it. This is how you see it. Okay? Then I want to remind you that there is no literature review assigned for this essay, unlike the argument essay, but I would still like for you to look for some source material and develop your works cited page. Okay? Don't forget that one place where you can go to is the biographies essay, which I highly recommend you do, because not only will it give you good information, but it will give you sources that you can use for the essay, as well as your MLA citation for any of those sources. It will give you the MLA citation automatically. And another place that you can go to is sparknotes.com. I'm allowing that as a source for the essay. As you can see here, if you follow this link right here, it will take you to the Spark Notes page for themes, for characters, for all sorts of stuff. And one final thing, it might not be a bad idea for you to go out online and find a place that gives a bunch of Orwell quotes. This is, if you click on this, it will open up a page that's got a ton of them. But this is certainly not the only place where you can go to get George Orwell quotes, and he had a lot to say about a lot. Definitely worthwhile for you to check out a list of Orwell quotes. Okay, once again, I apologize for having to cancel classes. You know, I'd much rather be with you guys in class, but that's the way it goes, I guess. Keep you posted. All right? Text me or email me, or you can even feel free to call me if anything comes up.